innocence is gone.
To do this trend, open any editing application you have. I am using InShot editing application. Now go to New Project and add your 6 photos, 1 old photo and 6 new photos. Now select Format 9:16 and adjust all photos to the full screen to make it look good. Now add audio. If you don't have the audio, you can get the audio from the link given below in the description. Now set the first photo to the time duration of 4.8 seconds and all of the photos to the time duration of 0.7 seconds. Now add text. Apply the text layer till the end of first photo. Now check your video and then save to your gallery.
Let go. Is gone. Feel the karma.
Now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.